Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video, we are going to learn how to update payment information in Patreon. So, let's start. So, first of all, click on the Patreon app and launch it. Let it launch, and here you can see right now I'm not following anyone yet because I actually don't use it much. But for you, you have to go on this Safari button, which is located in the middle of the bottom. So just click on this watch section. Now find a creator. Suppose just put in any keyword. Suppose I wanna put in car. So here it will search and it will show the people related with car. So now I will just select one of these, Dan Carlin. Okay, so what you need to do now is here you can see the profile of the person. Okay, now here what you need to do is just click on a become a Patreon. After clicking on Patreon, click on join. Okay, I want to join this. Then let it load. After that, it will ask you complete your per payment to Dan Carlin. Okay, it will ask you to pay this from a card or a PayPal. So now what you can do is here you can add your credentials of the debit or credit card which you have. Okay, name on the card, your credit card number, your expiry, CVV, postcode. After this you can done and pay with card, or you can add here your PayPal. Click on PayPal, it will ask you, and next you have to verify your PayPal information, which will check your number also. So after that you can pay with either your credit card or debit card or with PayPal. So only two ways there are available to pay by Patreon. Now this was it for this tutorial. I hope this was helpful. I will see you in the next one. Till then, thank you for watching.